excellent and effective statement for a variety of uses. Why it works? This slogan is simple, direct, and conveys a powerful message about the benefits of eating fresh. Benefit-oriented. It immediately tells the audience what they gain from fresh food. Strength. This is a highly desirable outcome for most people, implying not just physical power, but also vitality, immunity, and overall well-being. Clear and concise. There's no ambiguity. The language is straightforward and easy to understand for a broad audience. Positive association. Fresh food evokes images of vibrant colors, natural goodness, and healthy choices. Memorable. Its brevity and clear message make it easy to remember. How to use it? This statement is versatile and can be applied in many contexts. Branding? It's a fantastic tagline for grocery stores, farmers markets, healthy food brands, meal delivery services focusing on fresh ingredients, or even restaurants committed to fresh produce. Marketing campaigns. Use it in advertisements, social media posts, and promotional materials. Pair it with visuals of vibrant fruits, vegetables, and energetic people. Educational initiatives. Ideal for public health campaigns promoting healthy eating habits in schools, communities, or even government programs. Packaging. It could be printed on packaging for fresh produce or healthy food products to reinforce the brand's message. For example, a local fruit stand in Cambodia could use this slogan to highlight the quality and health benefits of their produce. Imagine seeing this phrase at a market alongside a display of colorful, ripe mangoes and papayas, making an immediate connection for the consumer.